children, today social class, today new lesson, unit 3, child safety. What is the spelling of child? C-H-I-L-D, child, safety, S-A-F-E, safe, T-Y-T, safety, child safety. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Newspaper, N-E-W-S, news, P-A-P-E-R, paper, newspaper. Advertisement, A-D-V-E-R-T-I-S-E-M-E-N-T, advertisement, A-D and V-E-R, advertise, T-I-S-E, ties, ment, M-E-N-T, ment, advertisement. Child line, C-H-I-L-D, child, L-I-N-E, line, child line, H-E-L-P, help, L-I-N-E, line, helpline. Need, N-E-E-D, need, C-A-R-E, care. Establish, E-S-T-A-B-L-I-S-H, establish. Project, P-R-O-J-E-C-T, project. Development, D-E-V-E-L-O-P-M-E-N-T, development. Once again children, children, newspaper, advertisement, child line, helpline, need, care, establish, project, development. Book reading, page number 136, 137. Unit 3, child safety. What are the things we are learning in this lesson? We are seeing now. Learning objectives. Children will be able to describe the importance of child line, understand child safety, distinguish between safe touch and unsafe touch. Okay children, these three important things we are learning in this lesson. Okay, first listen here, see here, one father is sitting, he is reading the newspaper. Two children are there, yes or no? Children are there, they are peeping the newspaper. See here, father is reading the newspaper while the son and daughter peeps into the paper and finds an advertisement of child line 1098. What is the number of child line? 1098. See here, father is reading the newspaper. The son and daughter peeps into the newspaper and they found advertisement in the newspaper. What is the advertisement? The advertisement is child line 1098. Next, son. Dad, what does this child line number mean? Son asked the question, Dad, what does this child line number mean? Father, child line number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. See here in this book, 18 spelling is wrong. You change it. EIGTH they have given, but you want to change it EIGHTEEN 18. Okay, child line number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. Daughter, oh, do they help children in doing their homework? She is very clever. Yes or no? That child line is helping for homework? She asked. No. Oh, do they help children in doing their homework? Father, haha, no dear. It helps children who are in need of help and care. They are not doing the homework. They are in children is any dangerous situation. They are helping them. Yes or no? So father said it helps children who are in need of help and care. Son, I didn't know about this. Father, child line service was first established as a project in the year 1996. Later, between 1998 to 99. Child line was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. What purpose they are established the child line service? They help for women and children who are all under age of 18. They have any help means they are helping the persons, children. Okay. Child line service was first established as a project in the year 1996. Later, between 1998 to 99, child line was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Son, it has been there for a very long time then. It has been there for a very long time then. Yes, father, yes, in May 2013. Childline in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. Child labor is an offense in India. See here, father said yes in May 2013. This established in 1996 to 98 and 99. Yes or no? That childline service. 96, then 98 to 99. First they projected in that childline line where May 2013 in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. Child labor is an offense in India. Daughter, who is it? Father, childline help children who they are help for or work as laborers or abandoned by their parents or differently able or live in streets. They are helping for these peoples or work as laborers or abandoned by their parents or differently able or live in streets. Okay, childline helps them. Son, how do they exactly know where and how children need help? This is very important question. Yes or no? How do they exactly know where and how children need help? Yes or no? They are in that dangerous situation. They are making the number of 1098. They are that number dialed means the childline service come and help them. See here, let us know, it's very important point. Integrated Child Development Services. What is the abbreviation? ICDS means Integrated Child Development Services. ECM. Centrally sponsored scheme of Government of India for early childhood care and development. Next activity. See here, let us do which is the safest way of traveling. Put tick or cross in the boxes. See here, in this first picture they are not wear the seat belt, but second picture they are wearing the seat belts. So this is the safest way of traveling. So you put tick mark, this is wrong. Next picture, he riding the boat, but he is wearing the life jackets, but these pictures they are not using the life jackets. Which is the safest way? This is safest way. Put tick mark. This is unsafety. Next, see here in this pictures also they are riding the bicycle. They are not wearing any helmets, but this picture they are wearing the helmets. So this is the safest traveling. This is unsafety. Okay children, this is cross mark. This is safest way of traveling. This is unsafety. Okay children, these 4 pages you learn. See here, page number 136, 37, 38 and 39. Okay, thank you.